First off, let me express my gratitude for all the people, all the lessons, all the trials, all the dues that I introduced my heart to in innocence, thinking that if I showed my love that you would love me ever since. In a sense, I knew you wasn't heaven sent, but I believe like Martin, if I kept the peace that I could mend your broken heart. But I knew that from the start, it was destined for failure. I wasn't God, and I'm still not, but now I know him better than I ever did. So he picked up all the pieces that were shattered in his midst, from this little black girl raised up in the cold world, doing anything she could to feel the love she wanted. Thank you to my mama, my daddy, and my brother for loving me in times that you probably didn't wanna. And thank you to my sister, they Uno Gucci miss ya. Sandbox days, you my rider, I'm your lifter. All the fun times that I had, now I was in the sink, but now I'm glad, though. Cause now I see the past and I look up to thank my God, because he always had my back. I just wanna wanna say, in everything you do, don't forget to turn the page, and don't be scared to do it every day. I promise you, little babe, ain't nothing here that's meant to stay the same.